Hello, this is Chaithanya Vallesi, roll number 21EC30057 from section 17 EC department. In this video, I am going to disassemble this pocket radio as a submission for DIY assignment 3. The volume selector doubles as a power switch, and we have two buttons to select between AM and FM, and we can select whether we want local signals or not. And once we select band and increase the volume, we can select the tuning frequency using this knob.
To convey these advantages to foreign, the advantage of a stable policy regime,
And hence by using it as a radio, we have a antenna which helps us to gather signal from larger distances. Now let us disassemble this. Now that we have disassembled the radio, we can see how it works. The radio waves are collected by the antenna and pass it to the tuner circuit, which comprises of a coil and a variable capacitor. And this variable capacitor can be controlled both by the band selector and the tuner knob. And the radio wave get passed to the RFIC, where it gets amplified to an intermediate frequency. Then it is further amplified and hence demodulated and forms an audio frequency which sends itself to the RFIC. And the audio IC receives input from the volume controller and therefore generates a signal input and finally sends it to the speaker. So that was how it works. So now let us reassemble. So that was DIY assignment 3. Thank you.